Today then, the maiden flight of the mini Cub, if you will, had some rather derogatory comments left. Apparently the propeller is the wrong one. It's a gas propeller, prohibited for electric, and the motor is too far forward, centre of gravity is wrong, shouldn't have the servos at the back, and all sorts of other things. Let's see then if reality is different to the theory.
The best thing about Takeoff is go low rates on that, get a little bit of speed, and then punch it and just pull on the elevator and it'll go straight up. It's half throttle, hands off. So 50% is quite reactive.
Yeah.
It picks its nose up on throttle, alright?
Yeah.
But that's okay. Go on to glide, and that's fine. Thrust angle could do with shimming at the top. Just one washer, or you can leave it where it is, because on half throttle, it's flat, straight.
Okay, brilliant.
And it pulls straight all the way. It just climbs.
Yeah.
Bit of a lazy loop. But that's flat and straight. Yeah, that's a bit better now that we've got it. Yeah, we're slow to respond there on their ailerons, so I need to go up a click.
Aileron rates 50%.
And it's a lazy roll. It's not a fast roll, so if you do one when you're... That's me fannying about. Yeah, I think I prefer it with them on half rates.
Yeah.
Elevator's fine where it is, I think that's on half.
Yeah.
You might want more rudder on the ground for steering, as usual,
Yeah.
so that you can bring the tail round when it lands, but it's only a small plane, it should be alright. Do you want it?
Okay.
Okay, nice and gentle. Fly it on 3/4 throttle, so it doesn't pitch up too much.
Yes.
It's not bad, is it?
Not quite as twitchy as I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, can you see what I mean about it? What it does, it goes like a kite, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It picks up its nose up and then it just does that into the wind, and the wing acts as like a kite. So it slows it down. What's your orientation in the sun, mate? That's bright up there above my eyes. Oh, you've got your cap on.
Yeah.
Well, if you're happy with it, you can give it a little bit of throttle and just have a bit play. Unless if you're comfortable where you are, leave it, mate.
Yeah, I just want to poodle around to begin with. But yeah, it's not that dissimilar
It's
to
not too bad,
the big Cub.
It's not too bad. Well, they might put a bit weight mid, and just give you stop it dragging its tail a little bit. But I'd still tip the motor down, because you can see it's sitting up all the time. But them things tend to as well, high wingers. Have you got your camera on?
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
It's a bit random.
It's filming the sun.
Yeah, it's looking for the International Space Station.
Looking for eagles.
Yeah, or Chinese rockets.
How much power you got left?
11.2 volts.
Yeah.
Time?
Just about, yeah.
You're landing, Steve.
I might as well. I'm nearly down.
Perfect. And there we have it then. Despite the naysayer The little mini Fun Cub flies really well. If I can fly it, then it must be pretty stable. I certainly enjoyed flying it and look forward to flying it much more in the future. My thanks to Steve for helping me with the maiden flight. A great success all round. Thanks for watching.